sesame.
Open sesame.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
I see you.
Take a picture of this funny one.
I'm taking a movie of you.
Huh?
I'm taking a movie. Is that pretty silly? You're silly. Don't dance up there. Say hello. Where's Emily? Where's Emily?
Mom!
Come on down, honey.
Quick! I see a duck.
Come down.
Look!
Is it saying?
Mom, come back.
Is he swimming?
No, he's just staring.
Oh, okay. Say bye, Grandma.
Can you see it?
Okay. We're coming. Let's go. I do see it. Let's go on the bridge to see the duck.